We've all been there. You have a brilliant idea for a product, you pour your heart and soul into the design, then bam, reality hits. The design doesn't work with the available materials, or it's too complex to manufacture affordably. Maybe it can't be assembled easily. These are design nightmares that cost time, money, and tons of frustration. The problem often lies in traditional design processes. Engineers focus on functionality first. They don't always consider the practicalities of manufacturing. This oversight leads to designs that look great on paper, but fall apart on the factory floor. The result: costly redesigns, production delays, and a hit to your bottom line. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. You can force it, but it's going to be messy, and the results won't be pretty. The key is to design the peg and the hole together from the start. Design for manufacture, or DFM, is like having a crystal ball for your product development. It's about anticipating and addressing manufacturing challenges early in the design phase. This means considering material selection, production processes, assembly methods, and even packaging. By doing so, DFM streamlines the journey from concept to reality. Imagine designing a car. You wouldn't just focus on its looks and performance. You'd also consider how the parts fit together, how easy it is to assemble, and what materials are readily available. DFM brings that same practical thinking to every stage of product development. This approach minimizes the risk of costly surprises down the line. No more scrambling to find alternative materials or re-engineering parts that don't fit. DFM ensures that your product is not only innovative but also manufacturable. It's about designing for success both on paper and on the production line. In the traditional design process, engineers often work in silos. They focus on their specific area of expertise without much interaction with the manufacturing team. This lack of communication can be a recipe for disaster. Imagine designing a complex circuit board. The engineer creates a technically brilliant design, but they don't consider the limitations of the PCB manufacturing process. They specify components that are difficult to source or too close together for automated assembly. This disconnect between design and manufacturing can lead to increased material costs, using exotic or hard-to-source materials without considering readily available alternatives. Production delays. Redesigning parts that can't be manufactured as initially envisioned. Assembly issues. Creating products that are difficult or time-consuming to put together, leading to higher labor costs. These problems can snowball, turning a promising product into a financial drain. DFM in action: saving time, money, and headaches. DFM tackles these challenges head-on by integrating manufacturing considerations from day one. Let's break down how DFM saves you time and money. Reduced material costs. DFM encourages the use of readily available, cost-effective materials without compromising quality. Faster time to market by eliminating redesigns and production hiccups. DFM helps get your product to market faster, giving you a competitive edge. Simplified assembly. DFM prioritizes designs that are easy to assemble, reducing labor costs and manufacturing errors. Improved product quality. By considering manufacturing tolerances and assembly processes, DFM minimizes defects and improves the overall quality of your product. Think of DFM as preventative medicine for your product development process. By addressing potential issues early on, you save yourself from costly cures later. BP Nel Consulting, your partners in streamlined manufacturing. At BP Nel Consulting, we live and breathe DFM. We've spent years honing our expertise, helping businesses of all sizes navigate the complexities of product development. Our team of seasoned engineers understands the intricate dance between design and manufacturing. We work closely with our clients, acting as an extension of their in-house teams. We don't just point out potential problems, we provide practical, actionable solutions. Our collaborative approach ensures that your product is not only innovative but also optimized for efficient and cost-effective manufacturing. We're not just consultants, we're your partners in bringing your vision to life. We're passionate about helping businesses thrive by streamlining their manufacturing processes and maximizing their return on investment. Case study: from prototype problems to production perfection. One of our clients, a medical device manufacturer, was developing a new surgical tool. Their initial prototype, while functional, was proving to be a nightmare to manufacture. The complex design required specialized tooling and multiple assembly steps, driving up costs and lead times. BP Nel Consulting stepped in, conducting a thorough DFM analysis. We identified several areas for improvement, including simplifying the design to reduce the number of parts, utilizing standard readily available components, optimizing the assembly process for automation, These changes resulted in a 30% reduction in manufacturing costs, a 50% decrease in assembly time, and improved product reliability and ease of use. This is just one example of how DFM can transform a potentially costly design flaw into a resounding success story. Ready to build smarter? DFM is your secret weapon. In today's competitive market, efficient manufacturing can make or break your business. DFM is no longer a nice-to-have but a necessity for companies looking to reduce production costs, shorten lead times, improve product quality, gain a competitive edge. Don't wait until you're knee-deep in production problems to realize the importance of DFM. Let BP Nel Consulting be your guide to smarter, more efficient manufacturing. Contact us today for a consultation. We'll work with you to unlock the full potential of your product and help you build a brighter future for your business. Remember, building it right the first time is always cheaper and faster than fixing it later.